Dear viewers, I hope everyone is well. Today I have brought for you an amazing app and trick that will greatly benefit you and amaze you. Basically, those who are freelancers, those who do typing work, or those who only have mobile phones and are thinking of freelancing, and those who don't know typing or typing speed is very slow. This content is like a divine gift for them, and this video is going to be a blessing. Because, only if you have an internet connection on your phone, after watching the video, you can write thousands of pages of any text in Bengali, English, Urdu, Persian, Tamil or Hindi, Arabic, Gujarati, Chinese, any language in a very short time, for which you do not need typing skills. Only if you can read that language, it's okay. Now let's start the video. First, you need to download the Keep Note app from your phone's Play Store or App Store. Keep Note is a product from Google that comes pre-installed on most Android phones. I am directly opening this app as it is already downloaded on my phone. New install will require you to sign in with any Gmail account. You sign in your mail. And after that, a page like this will appear. Now what to do is, what you want to write. If you want to copy a book or type any other text, then take a picture of the text first. In this project I will show with book. I have PDF book on my phone. I am using this book. If you want, you can write the exam by hand in the notebook. But the writing should be at least clear. I'm going to the file where my book is. The Autobiography of Bertrand Russell, translated by Abdul Hai. I am taking screenshots of the book, page by page. Now opening the Keep app and clicking on this plus sign will open a page where you will get writing option. Just click on the plus sign at the bottom or side and you will see some options where you will find options named Take Photo, Choose Image and Drawing. From here, click on Choose Image and upload your documents one by one which you have taken screenshots. Once uploaded, click on the first image and you will see a symbol on the top right. Click on the icon, click on the first option, Grab Image. You will see that all the articles on the first page have come. Then it will be done. Now open Microsoft Word or Excel, whichever app you work with, just copy and paste it. Grab each picture and turn like this. Keep the app minimized and open on the other side your gallery where the pictures are. Now match your grabbed text with the text in the picture. In it, you are getting all the text that you needed to type in text format in a few minutes, which would have taken a lot of time to write and there was a risk of many spelling mistakes. But meanwhile, the percentage of spelling mistakes is 0.001%. That is, the clearer your image is, the clearer the text will be. In some cases, the last part of one line after the other line may come to the beginning of the second line, for which I mentioned opening the gallery and matching the text with the picture. But in small projects such mistakes are not likely. I had this problem while composing a 400 pages book some days ago. You just match the first sentence and the last sentence of the line to see if it is correct. Today's project shows how to write text from pictures in a short time. Later in the tutorial I will show how to use Microsoft Word with mobile and how to compose an ebook. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe the channel to receive such videos regularly. I'm ending today's tutorial with love to everyone, hoping to see you soon. Stay well everyone, stay healthy, stay beautiful, love everyone. Thanks everyone.